In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the video in trash on Capcut. If you're cleaning up old edits or removing drafts you no longer need, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to move a project to the trash in a safe, reversible way. The process works on both the Capcut website and the mobile or desktop app, and the wording is very similar across platforms. First, open Capcut. If you're on the web, head to the official site and sign in so you can see your workspace. In the app, just launch it and make sure you're on the main editing or project screen. You want to be in the area where your projects are listed, not inside an editing timeline. Next, locate recent projects. This is the section that shows the files you've been working on most recently. On the web, it usually appears in your workspace under My Edits or a similar tab. And in the app, you'll see a Recents or Projects view with thumbnail previews. Give the page a moment to load if your internet is slow or you have a lot of projects. Find the project you want to remove, then open its Options menu. Look for the three dots, often called the More or Overflow menu, on the project's thumbnail or to the right of its name. Tap or click those three dots to reveal the actions available for that specific project. If you're on a phone or tablet and don't immediately see the dots, tapping and holding the project can also bring up the same menu on some versions. From that menu, choose Move to Trash. This action doesn't permanently delete your video. It simply sends the project to the trash area, where it can usually be restored for a limited time. This is helpful if you're tidying up, but want the safety net to bring a project back later. Keep in mind that moving a project to the trash may affect shared links or team members' access if the project was shared. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure. Read it carefully to make sure you've selected the correct project, then confirm. Once you confirm, the project will disappear from your recent projects list and move to the trash. If you change your mind later, you can typically visit the trash section in your workspace to restore it, as long as it hasn't been permanently cleared. That's all you need to do. Open Capcut, go to Recent Projects, use the three-dot menu on the project, select Move to Trash, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Capcut.